Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing from a new company for me. So this says that it came from colorkit.ru. However, if it is what I think it is, it should be from a company called PaintGem. Let's just get in. Hopefully this is what I think it is. If it's not, that would be very strange. It's very well taped shut. Okay, let's just... Okay, yeah, that's better. Now it looks like what I expected it to look like. So this is from PaintGem. It's a very full package, but also an incredibly neat, tiny package. So it opens this way. This is so cute. And I can already see we get one of my favourite things, the little wax pots that are shaped. Is that a whole? Okay, that's got one sort of slice of wax in there. Excellent. Yes, a little macaroon wax, very cute. Easy to refill with other wax as well. So, and then let's have a look here. This is our instructions. So here's how it works. Instructions for how to diamond paint. So excellent, very nice indeed. And now some of the absolutely tiniest diamond paintings ever, but these are all based on classic works of art. So let's just bring you in a bit. So we've got the Starry Night, which has been done, obviously a lot of different companies offer this, so it'll be really interesting to see how it works in this tiny style. We've got the Kiss, we've got the Mondrian Colours Square, I don't know what it's actually called. We've got Van Gogh's Sunflowers, and oh, I recognise this one and I cannot think who it's by. I'm gonna have to go and check. So we've got this set of 5, and then I've got another set of 5. So we've got Edvard Munch's Scream, we've got the classic Leonardo da Vinci, we've got the Great Wave, a Picasso image, I don't know what that one's called, and the Girl with a Pearl Earring. So these should be really fun to do. They're going to make lovely little, you know, quick evening projects. And I don't know if I will keep them all together or if I will chop them up and hang them individually. I don't know. They would work really nicely actually in just, you know, if you had a long frame, although obviously we'd need to, having said that, some of these are portraits, some are landscape, so you would need to arrange them in a frame the right way around. It's a bit of a shame actually, yeah, because there's none that are all the same way around. So we've got here 10 mini masterpieces from their museum collection. That's going to keep rolling up, so I'm just going to put it to the side for now. They are square drill. We've got the drills here. Quickly. So this is our inventory sheet. It gives us the information, tells us that it's 10 pieces, each piece is 6 by 9, and there are 30 colours in total. So we've got DMC and quantities for all of those. That's really nice. The drills themselves come pre-bagged. They are marked with the drill number, the DMC number and the weight. They certainly they don't look to have a problem. It's a light one and a dark one. Ah, 310, lovely. Let's look at the 310s. Stick some of these out into a tray and we can see. Oh, certainly came out nicely. Let's get you down there. No trash that I can see, lovely and sparkly. They've all lined up nicely. You can always tell when they slide nicely and you know that you're onto a winner. So very impressed with those 310s. They are, you know, a problematic drill colour. Who knows why? I don't know if it's just because quite often we have large bags of them, large batches, and so there's more chance for them to go wrong. And then we'll just check. Oh, this bag is a little bit staticky, but nothing that you can't fix with a bit of tumble dryer sheet. Oh, focus, there we go. Yeah, these look fine and dandy too, no problems. Yeah, lovely. I will probably go through when I kit up, and any that are a little bit staticky I'll just pop some dryer sheet in and it will be absolutely fine. But you can see they just jump around in the bags a little bit, which can be annoying. There we go. So we've got all of our colours. I'm not going to go through them, just there's no ABs to look at, it's just standard square drills. The ones that we've looked at already look lovely. I'll just pop those to the side and we will look at the kit. So obviously we've already got our wax caddy, we've then got a nice branded Ziploc bag, always appreciated. Anything you can reuse is always good. Oh, that's interesting. So, oh, yeah. So we've got a glitter clear placer, single, and how big's that one? Let's have a look. I think that's a 9. And then, yeah, so a 9 placer. We've also got a 3 purple squishy, always good for your comfort if you are using the original pens. We've got a small white boat, and then we've got pointy nose tweezers. They're quite sharp actually, but they are plastic. So we'll see. I will give them a go and see how they compare to using the metal ones. They do seem to be a decent quality plastic. They don't feel flimsy. Yeah, so we will see with that one. I'm just going to bring you down and give you a closer look at some of the canvases so you can see the drill field. It is just an alphanumeric field, and obviously they all work off the same yeah, it's the same pose for everything. So you only need to kit up once. You get to do all of these paintings, which is quite nice. Okay, so we'll look at this one now. It's nicely in focus. So you can see we've got Just nice clear letters. We've got white on the dark on the brighter colours. Doesn't look to be anything that's going to be a problem. It's really clear to see here. You can see we've got the I where the 310 is going to go. The B is our 825. 5200 is the W. S is our 973. So yeah, really nice. However, you've got a lovely clear legend printed out, and I think once you've kit up, I mean personally for me, once I've kit up I very rarely look at the legend, because I kit up using symbols, not the numbers, but everybody works slightly differently, and I would like to, if you've already done these, do let me know how you worked with them. I imagine these would be great to kit up and take with a bunch of spare pens and trays and do with friends, because you could take them and all work on one picture each. That would be really nice. So I'm really pleased with these. Thank you to PaintGem for sending these to me. I am really looking forward to working on them and then displaying them in my home. So we've got our, I can't even get them all in. Let's just move you up a little bit. There we go. So then you can see the 10 images that we've got. And alongside these, they have other options as well. So this is the museum edition. They also have national parks with sort of, you know, nice well-known monuments and things. There's two different versions of that. They've got a space one, which has got planets and celestial bodies. We've got house plants, there's cocktails. There are lots of sets, and it's a really nice way to enjoy diamond painting on a smaller scale. It really does show you what's possible. I know that we often, I mean even here, I have often said bigger is better when it comes to diamond paintings, but with the right image, and if you accept that it's going to be, I mean these are deliberately pixelated images, you're not going to get huge detail, but it's the essence of these classic artworks that you're going to get here. And I think that works really nicely. With an image that people know well, it's so much easier to create it small and have people be able to tell what it is. So yeah, I think it's really lovely. I am excited to see how quickly I can complete them. I might have a go at time-lapsing one so that you can get an idea of how long it takes. Yeah, I'm excited to get on with these, and the fact that I can do this many pictures and only have to kit up once is always a bonus. So I'm going to leave this here. I will pop all the details, links to this kit in the description. In the description you will also find link to my Ko-fi, Amazon, Instagram, all of that stuff. So if you want to keep in touch, please do. I would love to hear from you. I am, however, going to leave this here. So if you enjoyed the content, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!